Have you got your Carista or thinking about it? Let us introduce Carista, your personal car expert in your pocket. Carista is a professional-level car diagnostics and customization tool made easy and affordable for everyone. Carista Evo is not just a scanner, it's your personal car expert in your pocket. Connecting is easy. Just plug the Carista scanner into your car's OBD2 port, and paired with the Carista app through Bluetooth, you unlock a world of unlimited car control. Carista's usage is easy, intuitive, and no previous car knowledge is needed. It connects wirelessly. Forget about unnecessary heavy equipment, and better yet, your car's warranty will not be voided. Everything can be reverted with a click. Plus, Carista helps you save money on your car maintenance by diagnosing issues early. You'll also save time with Carista's pre-programmed features. No coding is required. Just select and activate. No matter what you drive, Carista offers extensive vehicle compatibility, covering most models from leading car manufacturers globally. Using officially licensed data, check if your car is supported on Carista's website. Now, let's talk about what Carista can really do. With Carista, you can scan and troubleshoot issues in a second. Unlock all the hidden settings on your car with a click, including Volkswagen Group SFD protected ones. Monitor live data parameters, and perform your vehicle's maintenance. Carista Scanner has a fixed price and offers flexible and simple-to-understand subscription options to suit your needs. Remember, you need both a Carista scanner and the Carista app to start upgrading your car experience. And if you want to save even more on your car, get the Carista bundle, which includes the scanner and 12-month access. Need help? We've got you covered. Access our comprehensive help center or FAQ section on our website, or contact us directly through the Carista app. Our dedicated support team, real people, not bots, are ready to assist you with any questions you have. We invite you to follow our social media channels for product updates and technical support. Join over 3 million satisfied Carista users worldwide. Ready to unlock your car's potential? Get Carista now.